The former President Jacob Zuma's private prosecution case against President Cyril Ramaphosa has been rescheduled until February 6, 2025. Please kindly subscribe, like, and share this interesting video. This delay coincides with continued legal wrangling and close public attention. The claims of inaction against journalist Karyn Maughan and prosecutor Billy Downer are the basis of Zuma's case against Ramaphosa. During his corruption trial, Zuma claims that Downer and Maughan improperly revealed his medical records. Ramaphosa, who has always denied any connection or misconduct, sees Zuma's indictment as a politically motivated move meant to weaken his authority. Both sides will have more time to prepare their arguments thanks to the delay, which was announced earlier this week. Legal experts believe that Zuma may be using this delay strategically to assemble additional evidence and garner support. However, Ramaphosa's legal team will make advantage of this opportunity to strengthen their case against what they see as unfounded allegations. Because it includes two of the most well-known political leaders in South Africa, this case is very important. Zuma, the president from 2009 to 2018, is a divisive politician who has been involved in several court disputes and has been accused of corruption. His replacement, Ramaphosa, has presented himself as a reformer who is committed to eliminating corruption and restoring public confidence in the government. The verdict in the trial might have a significant impact on South Africa's political climate. A conviction may damage Ramaphosa's standing within the African National Congress, ANC, and damage his reputation. On the other hand, Zuma's reputation may be further harmed and his power diminished if the lawsuit is dismissed. Different people have reacted differently to the delay. Supporters of Ramaphosa see the prosecution as a diversion from the urgent problems confronting the nation, such social injustice and economic recovery, while supporters of Zuma contend that he should have his day in court to air his concerns. The trial is expected to become a focal point in South Africa's continuing conflict between political accountability and factionalism within the ANC. And as February 2025 draws near, the country will be keenly monitoring it. The court procedures are expected to be a turning point in the political and legal history of the nation. Once more, leading member of the MK Party and former President Jacob Zuma made an eagerly awaited appearance in the Johannesburg High Court today, accompanied by his unwavering daughter Duduzile Zuma-Sambudla. Because of the high stakes and widespread public interest in Zuma's legal challenges, the courtroom was bustling with media coverage and attention from the general public. Zuma, who has been involved in several legal disputes over the years, came to the courtroom calm and determined. Walking with him was his daughter Duduzile, who is well known on social media for her resolute support and outspoken defense of her father. She was a picture of family unity. In Zuma's protracted legal ordeal, which has seen the former president accused of everything from corruption to contempt of court, this court appearance represents a new chapter. His defenders contend that these accusations are driven by politics, a position that Zuma has often repeated. A group of Zuma supporters gathered outside the courts, carrying signs proclaiming their allegiance and conviction in his innocence and shouting catchphrases. The incident highlighted the profound rifts in South African society, where Zuma continues to be a divisive figure. As in past hearings, Zuma's legal team is anticipated to offer a forceful defense. The verdict in this case might have a big impact on South Africa's political climate as a whole, as well as Zuma's political destiny. All eyes are on the Johannesburg High Court, where the drama of South African politics is being played out in the courtroom as the day's proceedings progress. EFF leader Julius Malema has said that he once invited Bongani Baloyi, a former member of Action SA, to join the EFF. Malema expressed unhappiness with Baloyi's choice to follow an independent political route. Malema discussed the course of Baloyi's political career during a recent media conference, suggesting that it was a mistake for him to quit Action SA and launch his own political campaign. "I urged Bongani Baloyi to join the EFF when he quit Action SA," said Malema. He felt that since he was so well-liked, he could succeed on his own. However, if he had joined the EFF, he would have been a member of parliament by now since he had the required leadership characteristics on his own. Malema's comments demonstrate how much he believes in Baloyi's potential and imply that the EFF might have given him a more solid platform on which to pursue his goals. Formerly seen as a rising star in South African politics, Baloyi has had difficulty obtaining